merge UVs, there's a threshold, exactly like merging vertices and edges, etc. in Maya. So if you're finding that things are kind of merging down to one shared point, you probably need to adjust your threshold. All right, so now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Well, it's a little harder to see what kind of distortion you have going on over here, but it looks like I have some overlapping UVs that I just kind of need to sort out. All right, now we have the air set up. Now, if you remember from earlier, this mouth, what we did is we actually extracted it, from the rest of the head, and is part of the result of that extraction is that it caused all the UVs to be separated from one another. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this entire thing, or actually select all the UVs there, and do a merge on it. And just make sure your merge threshold is really low. So that way, when you select an individual face, convert that selection to a UV, and you go to move it, everything's just kind of nicely sewn back together. Okay, now another problem with this is, as far as the projection of the UVs go, everything's kind of inside out. And so what we need to do is we just really need to open it up so that we can correctly project the UVs onto this particular piece of geometry. So to do that, what I'm going to do is select all the UVs here, and we are going to actually see the maximum power of the unfold option. So I'll go ahead and go into the options here, and this time I'm actually going to turn off the pin UV border and apply this. And you can see that for the most part, it actually did its job really nicely, and it really unfolded everything, with the exception of some